I'm going to make lavender vinegar today. It's quite easy, so I want to show you how to make it. You just need dried lavender. Put some into clean container. You don't need much because lavender originally has very strong scent. You can also make tea with this organic lavender. And just pour white vinegar into the empty bottle. And wait for 3 to 1 week. Until this vinegar become beautiful pink. And you can use lavender vinegar for cleaning, and also can make a DIY window cleaner. You just need to dilute with water by 1 to 1 ratio. And if you wanna make stronger window cleaner or glass cleaner, you can drop little bit dishwash too. Or if you wanna make pet-friendly cleaning, pet-friendly surface cleaner, you can drop little bit pet shampoo into lavender vinegar and dilute with same ratio of water. It will become perfect surface cleaner, but you can't use vinegar on stone, so be careful, like natural stone or natural wood, you can't use strong vinegar, so be careful when you use. You can use to clean your bathroom or sink, kitchen sink, or refrigerator or inside of refrigerator, and it smells amazing and works well. So this color will become beautiful pink, so please wait until then. Thank you for watching. Bye.